Namaste. Welcome to another episode of Wholesome Living Through Food, a beautiful collaboration between HomeCooking and Yoga&You. Today, we are going to make a protein-rich millet roti. This is Jowar Roti, also known as sorghum. This Jowar Roti is a wonderful alternative to refined grains, and it can be regularly included as part of your balanced diet. So let's get started and check it out.
To a kadai or a pan, I'm just pouring the 2 cups of water. To this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Once the water begins to boil, add the 1.5 cups of jowar and start cooking the flour. Keep the flame on low. You can see how quickly the flour starts absorbing the water. At this point, turn off the stove. Let this sit for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, you can see the dough is cooked beautifully. So you can see how soft the dough is. So now I'm going to transfer this to another bowl and I'm going to start kneading it nicely. Just start kneading the dough. Still a bit hot. So I'm just going to divide it into even sized balls. So then we can start rolling out the rotis. Dust the rolling surface with a little flour. Dip the dough ball in flour. Let it coat completely. Place it on the rolling surface and gently start rolling it out. So these shapes are not going to be perfect, so I'm going to use a cutter to get a nice perfect shape. But if you do get a nice perfect circle, that's wonderful. So if you feel the dough is a little sticky, you can just dust it with a little flour. So for now I'm using a cutter to get an even circle. So you can see I've not rolled it too thin. It's a little on the thicker side, but the dough is really nice. So when you roll it out, you get a very nice smooth surface. So now I've rolled out all the dough. You can see that I've made it into nice even size. Heat the tawa, and once the tawa is nice and hot, place the rolled out roti onto the hot tawa. Cook on one side. Once it's cooked on one side, flip it to the other side. So you can see it slowly starts puffing up. You can just gently press it on all sides. So once the roti is cooked on both sides, just dab it with a little bit of ghee or oil, and you can remove the roti and serve it nice and hot with any side dish of your choice.
So there you have it, soft and wholesome Jowar rotis. Simple ingredients that are transformed with mindful preparation. Jowar is rich in plant protein and high in fiber, making it gentle on digestion while supporting muscle strength and promoting healthy gut function. Jowar supports healthy weight management when eaten mindfully and provides essential minerals like iron and magnesium for overall nourishment. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Subscribe to our yoga channel and share this recipe with your family, friends, and your yoga community. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and stay nourished.